There are many AI features that can accelerate your video editing workflow, and if you're looking to start with one that's most likely to save you lots of time, I recommend you start with text-based editing. This is where an AI generates a full transcript of the dialogue in your video, and that transcript enables a faster editing workflow, as well as lots of other incredible features. Hi, I'm Nick Brazzi for Creative Pro. There is some form of text-based editing in all of the major editing applications. If you're new to video editing, CapCut and Descript are great, easy-to-use applications that you can start with. Descript is an online service, so all of your media will need to be uploaded to your account. When you upload or import a video clip, Descript's AI will transcribe them automatically. You can show or hide that script as you edit. And from here, there are a few baseline features that work the same in almost every editing application. You can search for a specific word or phrase to find it in your sequence. And you can simply select text, which will also select that section of the timeline. Then you can delete it as a direct way to edit your video. Play back your video, and that section has been removed. But where this gets interesting is that there are other specialty features that become available once that AI-generated transcript is in place. Different apps have different ways to use the transcript. For example, we've seen the AI generate text from audio, but Descript has a feature that can work the other way, to generate new audio from text that you write. Now first, you will have to identify the people who are speaking in your video. My video only has one speaker. Then in the menu for each speaker, you can enable speech generation, and that person will need to read a short block of text to create a profile of their voice. But once each section of the transcript is assigned to a speaker, you can click the Write button, then write the new text directly. When you click Done Writing, it will take a moment to generate that audio, which we can see in the timeline. Locals and even trains, arriving from across Italy and Europe. And when you walk out of the train station, now there's new audio, but clearly no new video. If you have B-roll clips to cover that section of the sequence, this is a great way to add new pieces of narration. Now, CapCut is another very popular app for easy video editing. I have a project where I've already imported a few clips. Here, the transcription is not automatic, but it is very easy. Just drag a clip to the timeline, then right-click on that clip and choose Transcript. And pretty quickly, you have the full transcript. Of course, you can search, select text, then delete content directly. And CapCut also has its own special features, including the AI Clipper, which can make edits before adding a clip to a timeline. So CapCut and Descript are easy apps that specialize in videos for social media. But even your pro applications, Adobe Premiere, DaVinci Resolve, and Final Cut Pro, all have their own versions of text-based editing. In Premiere, you can right-click on any clip in your project and transcribe it before adding it to a sequence. Or if your content is already in a sequence, you can open the text panel and start transcribing the clips in that timeline. Then you can search, select, and delete content directly. Premiere can also locate filler words or pauses, then remove them. But one thing I love in Premiere is the option to set up a censored word list. This is where you would identify any profane words that you might want to beep out. Just for fun, I'll add the word Venice to this list. Then from the filter menu, you can go to the censored word options and delete all of those words, or apply an effect to cover those words. The bleep effect is pretty standard. After applying that, you can play the sequence to hear how those words are censored. I was always told that in Venice, all of the streets are made of water. Now, one related feature that you'll find in most apps is the automatic captioning feature. This is how you can put text or subtitles on the screen. In Premiere, once you have the transcript, there's a button to generate captions, which will appear as individual clips on their own dedicated track. But applications like CapCut or Descript, which are designed to support video for social media, tend to have fun animated caption options. In Descript, there's a caption button in the sidebar on the right. You can choose from many different animation styles and apply the one you want in a single click. Then you'll see the animated captions when you play your timeline. You'll get your first taste of the beautiful historic architecture. And CapCut has a similar feature. So as you keep working, you are going to find other AI features, like speech enhancement or automatic reframing for social media in most applications. While some other features like background masking, generative clip extensions, or even tools to generate entirely new clips from a prompt are becoming more popular but don't appear in every application yet. Of course, text generation is just one AI capability, but it's one of the most important and most common, and it can also enable lots of other features.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, creativepro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.